Everybody says learn AI, but nobody tells you which AI could actually get you hired. Today I'll be compare AWS AI, Azure AI, Google Cloud AI, and IBM AI, and help you decide which one makes sense for your career. Azure AI, Microsoft-centric AI for enhanced business automations and integrations. It is a best suit for Microsoft tools and services. Use case enterprise framework automations purpose, cognitive services, and AI powered applications. Strength of Azure AI. Key benefit of Azure AI for Microsoft ecosystem and beyond. Deep integrations with a Microsoft product, a strong security, compliance, and governance. Scalable infrastructures with a hybrid cloud support. Google Cloud AI. It's a data-driven AI solutions for enhance the business analytics and workflow. Based for data analytics and scalable ML models. Use case AI agents in workflows, advanced analytics, multimodal reasoning. Strength leveraging a data-driven insight for enhanced AI capability and performance. Industry-leading research in AI and ML, flexible tools designed for developers and data team. A strong explainability and monitoring capability for better transparency. AWS AI, a scalable and reliable AI for robust machine learning lifecycle management, based for a scalable, reliable, robust ML deployment. Use case end-to-end ML lifecycle management, custom model training. Strengths leading the way with a unmatched scalability and ecosystem capabilities. Broadest cloud ecosystem, highly customizable and scalable, a strong support for multi-vendor AI model. Use AWS AI when you need a maximum scalability and flexibility. IBM AI, secure compliant in solutions for regulated industries and businesses. Best for secure AI in regulated industries, use case, AI governance and compliance workflow. Strengths, unmatched governance and transparency tools for secure AI solutions in enterprise. Leading AI governance and transparency tool, ideal for finance, healthcare, and public sectors. Robust risk and compliance system. Planning a tech career, learn Python, data science, or machine learning with industry aligned training at eduarn.com.